back. The Ministry of Health and Social Services is participating as an exhibitor at this year's Windhoek Agricultural and Industrial Show, of course showcasing the initiatives aimed at promoting public health as well as social welfare. The stall will feature various health services, educational material and information on community programs designed to enhance well-being and access to healthcare. Mr. Walter Kamaya now joins us on behalf of the ministry. Mr. Kamaya, good evening and welcome.
Good evening to you too, and thank you for having me.
Thank you so much for being here.
Yes.
I want to understand, how your participation in this event aligns with the overall health initiatives of the ministry.
Thank you very much. I think it aligns that this is an extension of our services, whereby we have a commitment to provide an integrated, affordable, accessible and quality health care which is responsive to the population. So as a ministry, we are also here to engage, to network, to share our information with the public, to educate the public, to make an awareness to the public, to say that the Ministry of Health and Social Services, there are best services, treatment that we can give. So that's the reason that we are here, just to get closer to the population and inform them of what we can do to them.
Of course, I also passed by the Ministry of Health stall, and we'll get into the services part of what you're offering here at the Windhoek Showgrounds in just a bit. But I want to touch on, just in terms of information, what is it that the public can be informed about if they do come and visit your store?
Yes, thank you very much. We can inform you about how we are doing our social welfare. We can inform you about our nutritional assessment. We can talk about information sharing. And then when we talk about information sharing, we are giving like pamphlets, we are giving booklets that one can sit and read in their comfort zone, or that they can digest on their own. So we are also giving the emergency services. Let me say, if there is an emergency that has taken place, those people, they are most welcome to our store. We are able to see to it that we stabilize the person, and then if there is a need that we go to the clinic, we go to the health center, we go to the facility, but things start here first. And then we can also, we are offering a lot, Nina.
The other services, I saw that there were some nurses there. Can I have my blood pressure checked? Can I have, what can I get done when I come and see this store?
We can test your blood pressure, we can test your diabetes, we can test your cholesterol. We are also giving, this we call them screening. We can also screen you for prostate cancer for men. We can screen ears, nose and throat also. So these are screening services that we can screen you and give you results, and then after that we can also give you cancellation. We also have our dietitian there. So these ones are giving awareness, they are giving information on how to control your weight, be it if you want to increase it, if you want to reduce it, also the height and other things. So what we can tell people, we are inviting people to pass by our stores. We have an interesting session that we can share with them. By the way, I don't know if you have learned that we have been honored with the GRN Best Ministry Exhibitor 2024. So we are sitting with a trophy that side of our
congratulations.
Stores. But this will be shared. It's another topic that we can explore furthermore.
I wanted to ask, are there also, for example, social workers present at the Ministry of Health store? I know there's a lot of social services as well that they were talking about. I saw many pamphlets there. If I would want to, have access to therapy or psychologists or etc., is there, opportunity for me to learn about that as well?
Yes, we are prepared in such a way that when we came here, we made sure that we cannot return somebody away to say go. We are fully prepared. So these social workers, they can do counseling. Yeah, we call them orthopedic. So sometimes they can tell you what to do after they have engaged, after they have networked with you. They will try to find out to say how best can they address you, how best can they advise you. So anything that you are going through, be it trauma, be it a mental issue, be it these social workers, that's why they are there, to be able to talk to you, to be able to see to it that you get to your normal.
Yes.
Yes.
Mr. Kamaya, any final remarks you'd like to leave for our viewers and those watching?
The final remarks that I would like is saying that as a Minister of Health and Social Services, our slogan is that your health is our priority. And then we will make sure that if we say it's a priority, we'll make sure that there's no two ways about it. You will leave our desk smiling. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much for your time, and thank you for joining us this evening.
Thank you. Welcome. Thank you.
That was Mr. MoHSS Kamaya, and of course he informed us that the stall that the Ministry of Health has at this year's showgrounds won the 2024 Best Exhibitor Stall. I must say, when I did pass by there, definitely it did catch my eye. If you're going to be attending the Windhoek Showgrounds this year, make sure to pass by there. It's not only just to get your blood pressure checked, etc., for having a health condition checked, but you can also get lots of information and get access to services that may be available within your community. So definitely do make a turn. With